Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today I'm gonna make a fun, quick little snack, or you could do it for breakfast. It's great for when you have people over. We are gonna make avocado bagels. So let's get cooking. The ingredients you're gonna need are avocado, lime, red onion. I'm going to use a fun little habanero lime sea salt, garlic. This is roasted garlic and wine. Cumin, everything bagel seasoning blend, everything bagels, pepper, and tomato. First things first is you have to cut your avocado. And like I said, this is perfect for groups that you might have. It is great for a quick thing on the weekend or during the week. Gotta take that seed out. These are a little more ripe than I would like, but I'm gonna make it work. I'd say maybe a half a day too long. Just a half a day. Does anyone else do a fun dance when their avocados are perfect? There's nothing like a perfect avocado and the ripeness. So we're gonna take that. Now, my family likes it super mushy. They don't like chunky avocado. So we're just going to mush that all together. Pretty perfect. Then we're gonna take our lime. We're gonna just roll it on the board so we get the most juice. Best bang for your buck. It's literally a buck. Cut that lime. You could do it by hand, but I like to use my citrus. My little handy dandy. Professionals over here, y'all. Look at that. Perfect. Now, I'm only using one avocado, so I think half of a lime is plenty. If you want more lime, add more lime. Now we're gonna take our red onion and dice some pieces of that. So the biggest thing between my guacamole and then like avocado for the breakfast is going to be there's no heat in this one. I guess you could if you wanted. You could definitely just do a regular guacamole, but this typically does not have a lot of heat to it. Next up, I have my tomato. What kind of tomatoes do you guys like to use? I use all different kinds, but I think my favorite would probably be Roma's. This is going to be a vine ripe tomato, but typically I like Roma's. And we're gonna dice this super small because in our family, no one likes tomatoes except for me, but they do like salsa. So once I mix this in there, they kind of are okay with it. But when I make my guacamole, you'll notice I use my homemade salsa instead of tomato in there. I don't know why. I guess just because it adds a little more flavor. So after you have everything cut up, then you're just gonna add your seasonings. It's gonna be to taste. I always start with a smaller amount and then add as I'm going, because you can add, but you can't take away. This one is gonna add my little bit of spice to it. So if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. But I would recommend some type of salt. Then I've got my cumin. I'm using this roasted garlic and wine. Super excited. It's such a great spice. My second jar, haven't even opened. Take a little bit of my pepper. You guys always ask about this little salt and pepper dish. It is linked down below in my Amazon links. It is so cool and it holds your salt and your pepper. So I love having that there. And then we're gonna use our everything bagel seasoning. I bought this on Amazon as well. This just adds a little fun flavor to it. Mix this all together. This is where you get another spoon, do your little taste test, make sure all the seasonings are the way you like it. You take your bagel. Again, I use the everything seasoning bagels. I just get the regular ones from Publix, but you can comment down below. Let me know, what are your favorite brand of bagels? Put that in your toaster. We're gonna make it look all cute. Go give it to your significant other and they will think you just slaved away in the kitchen. All right, we have our toasted bagel. Again, it's gonna be up to your personal preference on what you like. If you've watched my guacamole recipe, you know that Asa does not like chunky guacamole. He does not like it like he likes his women. But the man does like his bagels thick with 2 C's, okay? So he likes me to put it on thick on the bagel. So that's what we're gonna do. I like mine a little thinner. Sweetheart.
Oh, I never expected this. Thank you. What a surprise.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so thick. Thank you.
Oh, you know, I know you know, like you're gonna say it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Comment down below, let me know. Is this something that you guys eat? And as always, thank you so much. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Okay. Thick with 2 C's. Look at that. Thick like his woman.
You ever feel like you just go too far?
Yeah. Yeah. I do.